Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So let's do some different kinds of craft work today. So here I'm sticking some eyes and taking a graph paper and then I'm drawing the legs and here's a beautiful animal. Let's move on, taking a brown sheets and just making into a triangle, cutting them, and then let's make a leg and then an eyes and the nose and the lips and the ears has been stick onto the paper. Here's a beautiful dog image eating a bone. So let's move on. So here I'm taking a brown paper and then cutting into them and rotating it into a triangle, I mean the cone shape, and then it's been cut into many shapes and stick on to the three shapes and make a face of the image of the and rotate it in a cone shape. Let's move on. So I'm taking a red sheet, folding into 3 and then again folding into 3. So afterwards just stick onto the paper and then here's a beautiful chocolate boxes that has been created using a craft paper. So put some craft papers and draw some eyes and here's a beautiful chocolate boxes that has been created. So let's move on. I'm taking a green paper then cutting them into a Christmas tree. So here are different types of emojis that has been drawn. So take a white paper, draw some gift wrappers and then put it on a red paper and then spread it and then here's a beautiful Christmas tree emojis that has been created. So take a yellow color paper and then shade them, cut them and then let's make it different glues and stick onto the black paper. So here's a folding craft paper. So take a white paper and then draw some plants, sunflowers and cut them and stick onto the greeting card paper. So after the greeting card paper has been drawn, so let's take a yellow color, make it into a triangle, draw the petals and stick the pink paper and make a flower. So a pot with the different emojis of eyes and the trees and the leaves is being stuck onto the paper. So after the paper has been stuck, the different plant has been drawn in a craft paper. So and then take a blue color paper, fold it and make a big petals. So big petal has been done. Take an yellow round paper and stick white color paper and stick an eyes and the lips and the nose. So here's a beautiful flower plant. Take a circle, fold them into half and then draw the lines and stick onto the blue color craft paper and same way and houses that has been stick with the windows and then draw the sun and here is a and let's move on. So here I'm drawing a bird and then sticking on some craft papers and stick onto it and then here an eyes and the nose and the legs is being drawn. Porcupine has been created. So let's move on. I'm taking a white paper, folding them into multiple times. After the foldings has been done, let's draw pink color sheets, eyes and here's a beautiful bird that has been created. So let's move on. So here I'm taking a purple color sheet, folding them into multiple times. After the foldings, slowly just fold them and insert them. And here you can see when you elaborate, you can see a multiple types of stars with different colors, different positions of stars and then cut them into smaller pieces, stick the flowers into it. Thank you.